All three of them?
They're in your face.
And a prone one.
Well,
One's prone.
I would like to rage.
Okay, you
Yes.
rage. Your barbarian just like, ah! Like, lights the eyes. Just like,
And then I would like to, take my great axe and swing at the one that is now prone.
Okay.
And then after hitting him, swing at the next closest one to me.
Okay.
Take my great axe and
Advantage on the prone target.
rage. Add plus
2.
6 and then 2. Wait,
To the
it's plus
damage.
2 to the damage, right?
2
Yeah.
advantage on the prone
Okay,
target.
so that rage adds first.
Oh, no, yeah.
Prone
Advantage.
plus advantage.
Yes!
Oh.
Much better.
Nice.
Roll the hit.
That
Roll
hits.
damage on that.
Plus 6 total. So 11 points of damage.
Okay, as you drop you just like lumber, cutting wood status, sling,
Advantage.
and you like drop it directly in his chest and just like cave in, just like, and like just blood. That one's done.
Fantastic. So now I'm going to swing at the next one. And that's a 14.
Nope. As you like, pull your axe out and just go to swing again, the other one just gets its shield up just in time to like push it off. And it is now David's turn. Doesn't even
I
say
hit
it's like
the wall, I guess.
no. You're aiming for the one Becca just killed. So you're like and you hit the corpse. You're like, damn it. She beat you to it.
I nod approvingly at Nicholas. Excellent.
Fighting the corpse.
Well, the last guy we thought was dead crawled off.
True.
Good point.
It's better
Good
safe,
point.
better safe than sorry. I understand, Nicholas.
Nicholas should just your double tap now.
That's all. Just.
He moved! I swear, he moved!
Alright, it's Mike's turn.
Alright, I'm going to maneuver forward past Zeros now since I was back by Nicholas. And jump sideways and get between Mavic and the wall and then fucking stab one of the guys. So I'll do way in the back. Weapons. Shit.
While doing your ninja like jumping side routine thing to get
Yeah.
past Mavic, you're just like, ah! And it just like he's like, no.
I tried.
And it is the dwarf you just attempted to swing at, and he's going to try to take you out at the knees with his little warhammer.
Oh, for sure. I have
Little
my
tiny
shit
one.
ready.
It's got like a rock.
You just like
hammer.
parry the blow aside.
Yeah.
And then the other one's going to attempt to swing at Mavic with its tiny little warhammer.
Come at me.
20.
That hits. Oops.
He came at you.
He
Yeah,
came
you
at
did.
roll. So you take bludgeonings, halved,
Halved.
fucking rage.
Oh!
The best.
So you take 3 damage.
Okie dokie, I can do that.
As he like just winds up and like slams the side of your kneecap. Cute. Your turn. Oh no, Dustin's turn.
Did they? Oh, I guess that was it, huh? Decimated.
Yeah, you killed one already.
Sweet.
Surprise round for the win.
Attempt to swing at whichever one is closest to me. That's
The
alive.
Nope. You're just making sure the other one's dead, and you're just like,
See, Nicholas, I'm doing it too.
I saw him move! And
My turn?
Yep.
I am going to swing my great axe again at whichever one's closest to me.
the one in front of you.
Okie dokie.
That's a hit.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Roll damage.
I want to roll like math.
And I'm breathing, so I get +2. So,
Boom.
15.
As you drop your
Thank
axe,
you, Rage!
it just split the top of his head, just like axe stuck. And you like, as he goes dead weight, you have to like put your foot on the back of his head and just like rip it out.
Good.
Nice.
It is now David's turn.
Aha!
Oh no!
Such a wide
Okay,
array.
you ready?
Such a wide array.
Did I at least get the one that she just dropped?
Yes, the one you like. As she's like ripping the axe out of its head, your blast like slams inside of her head and just like frees her axe. And just like, oh fuck!
I'm
Thank
helping!
I'm helping.
Thanks for that.
Mike's turn.
Having
Okay.
having seen Mavic just wreck this guy's head, I'm gonna turn to
That's
Zero
fucking
and just kind of grin and say, "I'm beginning to like this guy," and just fucking attack the other guy that's in front of me now.
Last one.
I nod approvingly.
23.
All right. So as you like, he's kind of distracted, looking at his friend's head just be cleaved in two. He's like, and you just kind of get over his shield and drive your sword like into his meat of his shoulder. Driving. He takes a step back, like.
Right.
Now it's his turn. He's going to attempt to swing at you because you just poked him.
Run, dude.
He's.
Are you
Hey,
sure you're not
go!
working with us?
Like the only person rolling well is Mavic. Saywin.
Once I deflect his attack, can I give him that like that old anteater meme of just standing with his arms spread, just like giving him the like, "Come at me, bro."
Sure, you can.
Yes, good.
He's like, what?
Fight me, bro.
Yeah,
I've
basically.
done nothing. I've poked you.
Yeah.
He'll finish the job. Dustin's turn.
Yeah. Wait, let me kill him. I want to kill him.
Just kidding.
I'd like to guiding bolt him in the face.
Okay.
Oh!
Just walk
I
up.
want to kill him.
Oh, I hate this new pop-up. It's so weird.
Ah!
That would have been dope.
Let me kill him.
So as you go to guiding bolt him, he kind of pushes his shield up just in time to like knock your hand just a little bit up. And you're like, there's
Oh, I hate you, Durga.
strikes the ceiling and and bits of rubble fall. And now time for your cleanup hitter. Becca.
Cleanup,
I
she's
go-
making everything real messy.
I go rushing over to where the last Durgar is standing, and I kind of almost pat the Dragonborn on his head. Let me take care of this one, Sparky. And I swing my great axe at the Durgar's
Nobody calls
face.
me Sparky.
That was a great pun.
Oh, shit.
WTF?
Yes!
And now I'm going to like compensate for Becca's rolls, and you guys are gonna roll for shit.
Yes.
Alright, roll for damage. So as you like bring this axe,
Yes!
bring your axe back, and you hit
Someone
it like,
check her digital dice. It only has 4 numbers on it.
she's using loaded dice.
Yes. RNGesus has failed favorably upon you.
Yes, as you like bring your axe back, you catch him like right in the ribs, and you clean cut through him. And body parts like.
Nice.
You
See,
now
I
have
told you,
this-
Sparky.
There is now a large pool of blood
Walk
sitting
over.
in his hallway.
Yeah. Walk over to him, shoot him once while he's down. Can we go now?
He's gonna double tap him.
The double tap. Yeah, the hallway seems clear now. Minus
I
the fact
thought we
there's
were going
no
to
problem.
check downstairs. Now we have more
Yeah.
bodies to find. places for.
Look, they know we're here anyway because they saw us run. It's,
Through
yes,
the
we-
buildings?
Yes,
My
yeah.
bad.
They saw us do that probably.
Very well. Element of surprise down. Not a surprise.
I don't know. Should we continue down this hallway? I think we need to rest. Honestly,
I
do, at
would
least.
concur with that. We must find a place